Introducing the Coalescer Separator system by Minimac Systems. A cutting-edge solution designed to tackle one of the biggest challenges in industrial operations, removing water and contaminants from oils and fuels. Engineered with precision, this system ensures the purity of your industrial fluids, enhancing equipment performance and reducing operational downtime. Here's how it works. Stage 1. The system uses advanced coalescing elements to merge water droplets, forming larger droplets. Stage 2. Gravity separation ensures these water droplets settle at the bottom, leaving clean oil or fuel at the top. Stage 3. Filtration removes remaining solid particles, delivering fluids of the highest quality. This seamless process ensures the efficient removal of free and emulsified water and contaminants. Why choose the Coalescer Separator system? It's ideal for sectors like power plants, aviation, marine and heavy industries that rely on pristine oils and fuels. It significantly reduces equipment wear and tear, prolonging machine life, lowers maintenance costs by minimizing contamination risks, ensures compliance with stringent environmental standards, making your operations sustainable and efficient. Experience the ultimate in fluid purification with Minimac Systems' Coalescer Separator system. Stay ahead in reliability and efficiency. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more insights and updates on industry-leading solutions. Let's build a more efficient and sustainable future together. For more information, please visit our website www.minimacsystem.com.